Hey, I'm recording. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go back. Sorry, but yeah. Gifts, please.
Each Magic Pen set comes complete with 9 eraser pens, 9 color changing pens, and 2 activator pens. We'll also include our Magic Flow pen tool and 50 awesome stencils. You can get the complete set for $14.99 plus $2.99 shipping and handling. When you call or
Okay.
find the Magic Pen must be 18 years
I'm
old.
recording. Gifts, please. I've been having this for a long time, but nobody's giving me gifts. And
This Friday, the Minions are getting their own movie.
Ooh, banana. Hello.
What up? And the world will never look the same again.
Banana. Stop. Macareno. Banana.
Minions. Rated PG.
New from Lego Ninjago, Air Jitsu. Go high flying action.
sorry, this is hard to type because
Your own tricks.
since I don't have a camera on my
And rip into battle.
on
New Lego Ninjago Air Jitsu flyers. Each set sold separately.
my what's it called again, computer. I can't record it from my computer. I have to do it from my phone or tablet, but my tablet's not working, so I have to do it from my phone. Wait.
Ew, you're not allowed to bring food into the library. You might damage one of the computers. Oh no, scary dream. What would happen if I spilled it? Ooh, we take it back.
And so yeah. So I'm gonna friend him right here. Friend me too. My name is Girly Chick Fan. Happy 4th of July! But people are not giving me gifts. Well, let me show you the gifts I got. This is part 3, because plus I'm going to show you
Dude, calm down. The librarian is pretty
some
cute.
gifts.
You understand it was an accident.
See, I got